Okay, kiddos, it's Papa Reeb here. Get out a piece of paper. Get out a piece of paper. This is going to be ear training. Ear training. You need a piece of paper and pencil. All right, listen up. I need a piece of paper and pencil for you. You are not going to check with your friends or your neighbors or anybody else to find out whether or not they got it right or not. You're going to do this all on your own, no cheating. On the piece of paper, write your name, 0 period, date, and then ear training lesson number 1. So again, on the piece of paper, write your name, 0 period, date, and ear training lesson number 1. Ear training lesson number 1. When you're done, you're going to post this, either take a picture of it and post it on PowerSchool or put it on a Word doc. You're going to post it on PowerSchool. Don't text it or email it to me. Put it on PowerSchool. Again, do this on your own. No cheating. So there are 3 headers. 3 headers. Write this on your paper. After your name, 0 period, date, and ear training lesson number 1. 3 headers. First header, higher or lower? Higher or lower? Give yourself some space on the paper. The next header is how many notes? How many notes? And then the third header is name the notes. So again, first header is higher or lower. I'm going to give you some notes. You can tell me whether they're higher or lower. The second heading is how many notes. So I'll play some notes and you'll guess how many notes I played. And then the next one is name the notes. So on the first one, here's a sample of what we're doing, higher or lower. So if I gave you this note right here, and I said, okay, tell me, is this note lower or higher? If you all said it was higher, then you're going to flunk the class, and you should consider transferring to art right now because you can't be in choir either. Understand? So it's either going to be higher or lower. I'll give you the first note. The second note's either higher or lower. You ready? That's your example. Here we go. Here we go. Number 1. Here's the note. Now, is the next note higher or lower? Got it? Here's the next one. Here's the note. Here's the next note. Is that higher or lower? You just have to write the word higher or lower. Here's the third one. And the next note. Higher or lower? Here's the next one. Is this next note higher or lower? Here's the next note. Is this note higher, the next one, or lower? So we should have done 5 of them so far. Here's the next one. Is that note lower or higher? Here's the next one. Is that note lower or higher? Here's the next one. Is that note lower or higher? Here's the next one. Is that note lower or higher? And here's the last one. Is that note lower or higher? So I'm going to do them all over for you real fast. Listen carefully. Here's the first one. Remember, the first note is the bass. It's the second note that you need to tell me whether it's higher or lower. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Here's the fourth one. Here's the fifth one. Here's the sixth one. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. That might be hard. Here's the next one. And here's the last one. Good. So those are the ones for higher or lower. Here's the next one. How many notes I'm playing. So just listen. That'd be an example of 3 notes. You don't have to tell me the note. I'll give you the note, but you just tell me whether it's 1 note, 4 notes, 10 notes, 37 notes, whatever. You ready? Here we go. The first one. So just write a number. I'll play that one more time. Okay? Here's the next one. So that's the first one. Here's the next one. You ready? I'll play that again. Okay? Here's the third one, number 3. I'll play it again. Just write the number of notes. Here's the next one. Again. How many notes? Here's the next one. I'll do it again. Just tell me how many notes. And here's the next one. I'll do it again. The beauty of this is that you can always go back and retest yourself. I don't care how many times you have to do it to get it right. Now the third heading, name the notes. I'm going to give you the first note. You are to name all 3 notes on a piece of paper. So I'll give you a hint. If I said this was an F, F, G, A, Do, Re, Mi. Got it? Here we go. First note. Okay, do it again with the notes to follow. You write down the letters of the notes. If this is a C, that's a C. Ready? Here we go. Little boo-boo there on the third one. My fault. I'll do that again. There are 3 notes. C. Good. Here's the next one. C again. C again. You ready? Here we go. Name the notes. One more time. C. Very good. And here's the last one. I'm going to start on a C again. Write down the notes. Here we go. There's 3 notes there. Starts on C. There you go. That's your first ear training test. Pretty easy. Most everyone should get all of these. There are a couple that might be tricky. Put it on a piece of paper. 3 headings, name, 0 period, date, etc. Ear training lesson number 1, and post it on PowerSchool when it's due. Bless you guys. Love you.